indefinitely. That is sine die. I want to quote Standing Orders 59:1. It says, the Speaker may, in consultation with leadership, suspend a meeting of the House indefinitely or for a period determined by the Speaker, having regard to the public interest and the exigencies of the state of affairs in the country. Honorable members, I have consulted leadership and I am exercising my discretion to decide to suspend the meeting of the House.
All right, Abushia for ye na enim nsema na nsema a course of Parliament since last week. Abesina area Speaker of Parliament Alban Bagbin have declared 4 seats vacant. 4 seats no hema emu 3 ekoye MPP and then emu 1 ana NDC. Yeah, if my fact is correct there, but from there no once MPP for na omoye minority na say majority at yase and the NDC nso ye minority. To declare that seat no vacant no Emma NDC for ebeye majority boom na NPP for ebeye minority. Majority leader was Afenyo Markin and I said is majority leader is Afenyo Markin. Now wante ni ho ase and I say wante ase ekoto aso de asem no ekopiem ewo Supreme Court. Na Supreme Court nso so omo frɛ asem no hon ekokan but from Supreme Court no omo can say minority should be minority, majority should to also be majority. Omo chirema say na e was say majority no omo san ko take omo position of majority na minority no so and san ko maintain omo position of minority. Na enra omo ko share mo baby foforo. I can't remember the name, but omo ye edwuma bi wo parliament honum, but nti oman ko parliament ho na omo ko share mu ewo different, I think different hotel. Na anopapa na chese na NDC for edikan ewo parliament ho akotena majority baby a ewo say majority for etena no. Na ena NDC kwatena honom MPP for baye no omo say oh Supreme Court akasa say obi an kwatena baby na owo na majority should maintain their majority and the minority should do same. But NDC for anti-ase and I say almost say the Speaker of Parliament kan no mo de beye adwuma abra bibi say and akosi was Supreme Court. Na majority leader which is an answer which was Afenyo Markin de send me to just say esan say omo pick peace ama oman Ghana nti esan say dani dan na asumdwe nkwa na omo pe de ama oman Ghana nti omo ne NDC for enkopere ho because assemble at least yemfase kan na kan asem but ya de adwen ene ya no enyame na me kan yo ena kan asem nti for them to maintain peace in the country and onim say so honum ne dwudwa ebetimi abase ha nti for peace sake asa sumdwe nti omo beye ni say ombeko anaso ombe leave parliament no for NDC na omo leave parliament no anasa omo free parliament ho ekoye na NDC for nkwana na ewo ho Speaker of Parliament be PM ho no na ɔse nipa dodo a ɔmo wɔ parliament hɔnom no aso sɛ ɔmbetumi ayɛ adwuma but they can't make decisions nti ɔde ɔsuspende Ghana parliament anaasɛ parliament or indefinitely na kyerɛ sɛ ekyirɛ mu a yɛnim da a ɔmo san ɛba biom na wei ɛkɔfa nsɛm bebree ɛde bae Supreme Court MPP majority need those distance Timoma yanko ni nkotie de esiye ni ensan to aso information ewo ho pa ahanum ye nimdie news don't forget to subscribe like it ni yanko to aso emra.
On Thursday I informed the House pursuant to Standing Order 18 of the Standing Orders of Parliament on the occurrence of vacancies in the House in relation to 4 honorable members. Yesterday, I received a process from the Supreme Court, which is a ruling from the Supreme Court pursuant to an ex parte application directing Parliament to recognize and allow the 4 affected members of Parliament to duly represent their constituents and conduct full scope of duties of their offices as members of Parliament pending the final determination of a suit filed by Honorable Alexander Afenyo-Markin. By Article 102 of the Constitution, 1992, and Order 64.1 of the Standing Orders of Parliament, I note that we currently have a quorum to transact business, but not to take decisions. I want to read the said Article 102 of the Constitution. It reads, a quorum of Parliament, apart from the person presiding, shall be 1/3 of all the members of Parliament. As presently constituted, the numbers definitely is far above 1/3 of the members of Parliament. But by Article 104, the numbers are not sufficient for us to take decisions. And I'll quote Article 104. Article 104.1 says, except as otherwise provided in this Constitution, matters in Parliament shall be determined by the votes of the majority of members present and voting, with at least half of all the members of Parliament present. Honorable members, we don't have at least half of all the members of Parliament present. Consequently, in view of the current circumstances, the fact that there is a question on the composition and constitution of Parliament, and having regard to the public interest and the exigencies of the state of affairs in Parliament, I will proceed to, in accordance with Standing Orders 59, adjourn the House indefinitely. That is sine die. I want to quote Standing Orders 59.1. It says, the Speaker may, in consultation with leadership, suspend a meeting of the House indefinitely or for a period determined by the Speaker, having regard to the public interest and the exigencies of the state of affairs in the country. Honorable members, I have consulted leadership and I am exercising my discretion to decide to suspend the meeting of the House indefinitely. The House is accordingly adjourned sine die.